Welcome to all M.E. students. I am Professor Shinde Devi, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. Now, in this part 2 lecture of Introduction to Drawing, we will study the teaching and examination scheme. Let us have a review of the part first lecture, what we have studied, what we have understood, that is the course of your subject. Here course means subject. What was the title? Title was EDR. What was the course code? 22207. We have seen the rationalize how we will tackle in the industry with this subject, competency and course outcome after learning, after studying all the chapters, all the topics, all the units. What I am saying unit here, lesson is called as unit, lesson number 1, 2, 3 as unit 1, 2, 3. When he goes to the industry, he should be able to draw projection of 2D, 3D, draw sectional views of object, draw orthographic sectional view that we have seen in the last lecture. Now let us observe for fourth part, that is teaching and examination scheme. Now in second semester, the teaching scheme, they have given the 3 hours per week for the lecture for the subject engineering drawing. Means in a week 3 lectures will be conducted on the engineering drawing subject and 4-hour practicals. Means one student will have 2 turn of practical. That is 4 hours. This is about the teaching scheme. Now let us see the examination scheme. Now in the examination scheme, it is divided into theory, practical, that is theory, that is completely purely theory on the unit 1, unit 2, unit 3. Now the paper is a board examination paper. They are given the 3 hours. That is, the paper is of 70 marks. You have to score minimum 28 marks for the passing. Before going to this board examination, that is board paper, we will have to conduct the class test 1 on 50% syllabus, that is of 20 marks. And remaining 50% syllabus, we will conduct the class test 2, that is also 20 marks. Now, we have to take the average. If roll number 3 in class test 1, if he score 10 marks, and in class test 2, if he score 12 marks. Now we have to take the average. That marks will be added to your mark sheet in the board examination for this subject. Class test 1, 10 plus 12 upon 2. We have to take the average. That is 22 upon 2. That is 11. Okay. Now this 11 mark of the class test is added. You have given the micro project. We will allot you the micro project when the semester will start, at the start of the semester. That is of 10 mark. Means this is a 20 marks out of 20, and this is out of 10. If you roll number 3, if he score 8 mark, that is out of 30, he will score 19 mark. Out of 70, you have to score in the practical board exam. Simultaneously, we will take the class test 2, we will take the average of this class test 2 and the project which we have allotted it, and we will give the marks for it. This is of 30 marks and this is of 70 marks. This is completely related to the theory mark, that is out of 100. This is 70 plus 30 mark of the class test and board, that is a total 100 marks. That is go to the theory paper. Now 2.2 is for purely for practical. Now in my subject, I will allow the seat number 1, seats and assignments. Now seat number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be out of 10 marks. 10. If you score 8 mark, 9 mark out of 10, 6 mark out of 10, 7 mark out of 10, 8 mark out of 10, 6 mark for 6 seat if you score 9 mark out of 10. I will add this 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. What will be the total? Now 10 marks I have given. That is this, out of 60, out of 60, if you add this, he will score 47 marks. That is 60 marks. But for practical and for progressive assessment, they have given the 25 marks. Means for 60 marks, he has scored 47. But for the board conversion, is of 25 marks, that is x. X is equal to 47 into 25 upon 60. That will go to your mark sheet. And one practical end semester exam will be conducted on all the subject. That is the external. External will come and allot the paper to you. Some syllabus he will grab it and give you to as a paper. And out of that 25 mark, we have to score. And that mark is added. Means practically is totally for the 50 marks. In your mark sheet of TV board examination mark sheet, this 100 marks plus 50 marks, the total subject of teaching scheme, that is examination scheme, is of 150 marks in your mark sheet of the board.